Greetings, my name is Andrew from Barnacle. In this tutorial I will show you how to grab part of the screen as an image and send it to us for evaluation. In some cases we're going to ask you to show us your electrode configuration, and in that case you would have to come to our support website, select your board and set up your electrode configuration and take an image of that and send it to us via your regular email, or you can use our file attach and send form. Now to do this you can use the built-in snipping tool of Windows 10. If you have the search bar right here on the bottom left ready, then just type in snipping. The snipping tool comes up, click on the arrow and then select from the right hand side pin to the taskbar. Mine is showing us unpin only because I already have it pinned. If you do not have the search bar here, then right click on the Windows icon and click on search, and the same will come up, and snipping, and the tool will show up and you can start it from here or pin it to the taskbar and start it from there. Now there's a second tool called Snip Sketch. That's the new tool in Windows 10 which is supposed to replace the snipping tool, and that one is Snip and Sketch, and that's like a built-in application in Windows 10. Again the same thing, you can pin it to the bottom when you start it up. I do like to use this tool because it has got more features, but I will show you the snipping tool first because that's the original and standard tool, and you may not have the version Windows version which has the Snip and Sketch tool. So we have this image set up. We can click on the snipping tool. You can select the mode, select it to rectangular snip and click on new, or I think I already did, and just drag the area what you want to capture, and that is already been captured. And now you have a couple of choices. You can use the highlighter to do various highlights or draw on the image whatever you want, and also if you made a mistake you can use the eraser tool and just drag across the line what you want to delete and it will delete it. This is where you save. You click on save and save the image, and then you can attach it to the form, or if you want to use your own email application from your computer, then you can just copy and then go to your email and paste it in. Now once that is done, we can come here. We can use either that would open up your email application on your computer. This link will open up the same as this button, or even that one. So just use the online form, file attach and send. You fill out the information and then you click on choose file. Then you select the file what you want to attach and click on open. As you can see, the name of the file is going to be here. And then once this is filled, all the required fields are filled out, then you can send it and it comes straight to us. Now just to show you the second tool in case you have that, the Snip and Sketch. It's a bit similar but has got a bit more features. So the delay is here, so you can delay if you want to capture the menu popping up somewhere, but we just grab this one for example, and then also again we got the same sort of situation. We can draw it, but has got pencil and then highlighters again, and has got some freeform I think. Now and this is again the eraser, so you can erase those things. And this one has got an extra tool which I like a lot, which is the ruler. You can drag it up and down, and I just select the red one, and then actually you can draw straight lines. Rolling your mouse middle button you can change angles, and you can even change to protractor and drag it, change its size with the roller mouse, and then you can actually draw angles or curves onto the image. To make it disappear, just go over here and click on it again. You can also crop the image, press enter, and it is set. Here, this is where you save the file, and this is where you copy it, and you can go to the email application and paste it in. So this is how the two snipping tool works in Windows 10. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.